Honey Berry Yogurt Frozen Bites, a naturally sweet, healthy treat made with fruit and raw honey. No nuts, no refined sugar, and packed with protein and vitamins. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 cup fresh strawberries, diced, half a cup fresh blueberries, half a cup fresh raspberries, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the fruit. Wash all fruit thoroughly. Dice the strawberries into small pieces. Pat the fruit dry with a paper towel. Step 2. Make the yogurt mixture. In a medium bowl, combine Greek yogurt, raw honey, vanilla extract. Stir until smooth and creamy. Step 3. Add the fruit. Gently fold the strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries into the yogurt mixture. Add chia seeds if desired. Step 4. Fill the moulds. Line a baking sheet or plate with parchment paper. Spoon small dollops of the mixture onto the parchment paper or use a silicone mini muffin tray. Step 5. Freeze. Freeze for 2 to 3 hours or until firm. Remove from the freezer and let sit for 2 minutes before serving. Health benefits. Greek yogurt. Rich in protein, supports muscle health and contains beneficial probiotics. Raw honey. Natural sweetener, contains antioxidants, adds flavour without refined sugar. Strawberries. High in vitamin C, rich in antioxidants, supports immune health. Blueberries. Excellent source of antioxidants, supports brain health, naturally sweet and flavourful. Raspberries. High in fibre, supports digestive health and provides vitamins and minerals. Optional variations. Add diced peaches, mango or pineapple. Mix in cinnamon for extra flavour. Use coconut yogurt for a dairy-free version. Makes 12 to 16 frozen bites. Prep time 10 minutes. Freeze time 2 to 3 hours. These frozen bites make a refreshing summer snack, healthy dessert or quick grab-and-go treat for both children and adults. Visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body and Relationship, where you will find more healthy recipes, herbal health, exercise videos, relaxation videos, and so much more.